Hello, fellow Red Devils of Richmond Community Schools. Dr. Wright, your school superintendent. I have 3 items I would like to share with you during this public address. We will revisit my visionary perspective pertaining to student achievement. I will highlight this year's spelling bee contest, and I will update you on the repair efforts at Richmond High School. Earlier this year, I laid out my student achievement visionary perspective and how it relates to our corporation's strategic goals. I informed you that our leadership teams, educators, and educational partners have been working collaboratively to address the current needs of our students through quality Tier 1 instruction, or in other words, classroom teachers, through systemic alignment of our best practices, or in other words, we all must be on the same page, and through improvement of our social emotional supports, or in other words, continue to exercise patience and love. As we continue to allow data to drive our decision making and develop instruction around the needs of all students, our mission to guide students on pathways of learning to a future of limitless possibilities remains the same. Our RCS strategic plan challenges us to improve upon areas such as college and career readiness, social emotional learning, professional learning organizations, community relations, and overall facilities. While it may take just as much time for us to return to such high levels of student achievement as it has for us to find ourselves where we currently are, it will be through resiliency, intentional focus, and strategic planning that we will meet our mark. Together, with the help of our community at large, we will nurture the mind, body, and spirits of our students to prepare them for lives of choice, purpose, and service. Again, this we will do. Congratulations to this year's Spelling Bee winners. They competed Tuesday night at our lovely Civic Hall Performing Arts Center at Richmond High School. Our first place winner was Sophia Garcia. She's a 4th grader at Fairview Elementary School. Our second place winner was Adeline Finas. She's a 4th grader at Westview Elementary School. You may remember Adeline from our earlier public address, as she was also recognized as one of our Christmas card contest winners in December. And lastly, we had a tie for 3rd place, Keene Pickering and Riley Bragg. Keene is a 4th grader at Charles Elementary School, and Riley is a 4th grader at Crestdale Elementary School. We congratulate all 3rd and 4th grade students who competed at their home school, as well as those who advanced to the final round of competition. And we wish Sophia Garcia all the very best, as she is now eligible to compete at the regional level in Muncie. Well, as you can see, I am here, standing in the hallways of our cherished Richmond High School. As a result of the hard work of our RCS Facilities Department, contractors, and many hidden helpers, we have indeed made it possible for our faculty, staff, and students to return this upcoming Monday, January 30th, to our beloved high school. So much sacrifice has been made over these last 2 weeks. Faculty, staff, and yes, you all as students have put forth a valiant effort to see us through these times. It's through resiliency that we are indeed continuing to prosper as faculty, staff, and students. And so as a result, again, I simply want to thank you, families, parents, guardians, thank you, and most importantly, to our entire community, thank you. We're back, we're home, and we now have more work to do. Until next time, thank you, Richmond.